Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer onboarding checklists into Notion from Typeform, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Typeform account. Navigate to the form you wish to transfer. Click on the Results tab to access the responses. Download the responses as a CSV file. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure all entries are correct. Now, open your Notion app or website. Create a new page for your onboarding checklist. Title the page appropriately for easy reference. Select the table block from the block menu. Paste the data from your CSV file into the Notion table. Adjust the columns to match your onboarding checklist requirements. Make sure each task is clearly defined in its own cell. Add any additional properties you may need, such as due dates or assignees. To improve organization, utilize toggle lists for subtasks. Customize the look of your page with icons and cover images. Once satisfied, share the Notion page with your team. Remember to keep your checklist updated based on team feedback. Regularly review the checklist for any changes or improvements. Your onboarding checklists are now successfully transferred into Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.